Okay, you are now with my front page, my house rules, not mine lah. Actually, you didn't come to my house, but you came to 88 tuition. So yeah, these are the things that I need to cover with you. Okay, everyone must turn on the video, that one without saying. You want to mute your microphone? Okay, I'm fine with that. Okay, if you need to talk to me, just raise your hand, put the icon there. But then you will say, Cher, I put already, you also never see me. Never mind. Because I'm too focused. So if I don't see you, what can I do? What can you do? You unmute yourself. Talk to me. Say, teacher, I actually put up my hand, okay? Yeah. But don't put unnecessary, say, hey teacher, I want to go toilet. Can or not? Don't need. Okay. There's a chat function, right? The chat function, you can actually do this. Go to chat there. Type in, say, I need to go toilet. One time can already. Teacher, I want to go toilet, but come back as soon as possible. So we would want to use the chat function more nowadays lah. Instead of like scribble and then annotate here. Sometimes I know students feedback so difficult to annotate because my one is not a touch screen, things like that. It's okay. You can always do it in the chat function. Type your answer there, type your question there. Okay. Can I go and get my pen? Go lah, go lah. Okay. Anything you can do one, but must come back quickly. So be mindful. All right. Be respectful to all students. Okay. Cannot use unkind words. Okay. I'm here to listen. Okay. Then next thing is, if there's a toilet break, please come back ASAP. Same. Okay. All right. So you see here is lesson 20 as stated here. Okay. You must go to lesson 20 before you attempt all these questions. And then type your answer in the given line. Use calculator, can use. Okay, we are going to continue with the angle, but area of triangle. Okay, solve problems using triangle, also other shapes. Okay, all right. Question number 1. The figure shows square PQRS. So there's a square here. Okay, given that PR is 30, so here is the diagonal. What is the area of the square? Now, since this is the diagonal and this is the square, means this one is isosceles triangle one, right now. So meaning to say this diagonal is also 30, right? So since this and this are equal, right? So what I can do is, I'm going to do this. Since this and this are equal, so what I can do, I divide this by 2. Then this one will be 15 cm. The other side also 15 cm. Correct. So now you're able to find the area of the square already, right? Because you can area of what? What do you call this? Area of triangle. Okay. So to find this area of triangle, you have a base of 30. Okay. All right. I want everybody to get ready your keyboard. Type in the answer for me. And I want to see all the 4 responses. Okay. I want to have the height and the base here, and I want to find the area of triangle. Okay, what is the base here is 30. All right, if my base is 30, what is my height? Can I have your responses? What is my height of this triangle in purple? Good. Yes. Good. 15. Yes. Thank you, phone. Yes, Corinne. Good. All right, so the height is 15 centimeter. All right, so what is the area of this triangle? Will be half times 30 times 15. So you get 225 cm square. And this is the 225 for the area of triangle. Is this the answer yet? No. What must you do? What is my final answer? Area of what? What are they looking for? Their area of PQRS. What is my answer for PQRS? Okay. Yeah. Who else? Okay, thanks, Casey. Okay, so how to find this PQRS? Can I say this is 225 also? No, I must times 2. Very good, phone. You're very fast. So I get 450. Okay. All right. So next one, let's take a look at question number 2 here. Oh, this question. Okay. Now the figure shows the square 30 cm. So I'm going to write here 30 cm. Here. 30 cm here. Okay. All right. So this one is also 30 cm. Okay. So find the total area of the shaded part. So meaning to say I must, oh, okay. I'm going to do something here. Okay, look at my highlighter here. I would like to do this. How am I going to find the triangle here? The triangle here. Are we able to find this triangle? Yellow triangle. Okay, so I want to find at the yellow triangle first. The reason is because for the yellow triangle is actually the area of the two green triangle. Let me finish one at a time. Okay, who can tell me this triangle, how can I find? Oh, I write on the wrong side. I should write here, right? Okay, let me go back to the other one. You give me a minute. I have the area of the triangle here first. Maybe I do this clearer because it's not so clear. Got to come here again. Okay. So area of triangle is half times base times height. Why height? Because of this height, which is also 30 cm. Okay. What is the answer for this? Half times 30 times 30. Wow, so fast. Phone give me answer already. 450 cm square is meant for this thing here, the red one. So can I say the green one add together is also 450? They are of the same triangle, right? So now I am going to find this triangle in black. Okay, I'm going to find this black triangle. This black triangle is equals to half times 30 times 15. That will give me 225. Okay, so now what I have to do is I have to add these two figures together lah. Okay, I want to add something it so that you can understand what I'm doing here. This one adds up to be 450 cm square. Is the same. Okay, now have I ended here yet? Because he said total area of the shaded part, right? So total area of the shaded, he's asking you for both whatever you found That one is the red one, which is 450, and the green one that you have found, and that give you 675 cm square. Okay. So far, okay. Corinne can, sorry, this one is phone. Can understand what I'm teaching now? Yes, okay. Then who else? Corinne, okay? Corinne, okay. Angeline can understand, right? If not, you have to ask question, drop a question. Okay, all right. So let me write down 675 cm square. Okay. Question number 3, I am looking at the total area of the shaded triangle here. Okay. 8 times this times this. Actually, to share the secret with you, do you know that this total shaded area, all this shaded area is actually equals to half of the entire rectangle. Okay, this concept is called the combined base, combined height. Last week we have mentioned here already. So you can see if this is 13. Now I'm going to prove to you why this works. Okay. I give you one example here, okay? What is called combined height, combined width. Last week we talked about this thing here. 1, 2, 3 here. So this is called the base and this is called the base. Now when this is the height, right? So this one is base 1, this one is base 2. When you multiply the height, okay, I give you one simple example. So example, this is 2 cm, this is 4 cm, and the height is 10 cm. Let's take a look at each triangle. Can I say this is half times 2 times 10, which will give you 10 cm square. For this one is half times 4 times 10, that will give you 20 cm square. So this total area, is it equals to 30 cm square? Correct, right? So now I'm going to use another color. How to find this area of rectangle? The area of rectangle is 10 by 6, which is equals to 16 cm square. Now, can you compare your 30 cm square and you compare to this? Can I say the triangle with the shared base? It will give you half of the rectangle. Amazing, is it? But that should work, leh. Okay, that should work, right? For you know what I'm talking about, the combined base? Corinne, how about you? Okay, Angeline? Can, Casey, you should be able to because this one last week cover already. So this one goes the same, oh. So this is my concept called combined base is half of the combined base give half area of the triangle. Give the area of the triangle, which is half of the rectangle. Okay, so you must so-called combined base. But in the diagram here is combined base and combined height. Okay. So I will say that this is combined base, combined height. So with all the combined base, combined height, this is triangle. This area of triangle is half of the area of rectangle. Okay, so far so good. So let's take a look at how can we solve this question. Half times 21, because this one is 21, Okay.